Hey DIY lovers! Welcome back to the channel, your favorite space for home hacks, stylish transformations, and creative upcycling. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a fresh idea to brighten your space. Today's video is all about giving your shelves a personality boost without breaking the bank. We're diving into the creative world of custom shelf decor using recycled materials. Yes, the stuff you might toss in the bin can actually turn into jaw-dropping, envy-worthy decor pieces. Whether you're decorating a rustic kitchen shelf, a modern living room nook, or even your bathroom, I've got several easy-to-follow, eco-conscious, and totally stylish DIYs you can complete with items you probably already have at home. So grab your glue guns, paintbrushes, and some good vibes because we're about to turn trash into treasure. Before we dive into crafting, let's talk about the plan. Creating custom shelf decor isn't just about throwing materials together, it's about design intention. Step 1. Determine your style. Boho, industrial, farmhouse, minimalist, or eclectic. Pull inspiration from your existing room decor. Step 2. Measure your shelves, know the space you're decorating. This helps you design pieces that aren't too bulky or too small. Leave room for breathing space between items. Step 3. Gather recycled materials. Here's a list of common items you can use. Glass jars, tin cans, cardboard, old books, broken jewelry, wooden crates, worn-out clothes, fabric, bottle caps, scrap wood, or pallet pieces. Supplies you'll need: hot glue gun, scissors and utility knife, paints, chalk paint or acrylic, paintbrushes, sandpaper, screwdriver or drill, Mod Podge or clear sealant, ruler or measuring tape. Pro tip: raid your recycling bin or garage before buying anything. You'll be surprised at what you already have. Materials: mason jars or any glass jars, twine or jute rope, scrap lace or ribbon, hot glue, acrylic paint, optional. Steps: clean and dry the jars. Remove labels and sanitize with warm soapy water. Let them dry completely. Paint, optional. Use chalk paint for a rustic matte finish. Let dry for 30 minutes. Decorate the neck. Wrap the neck of the jar with jute rope. Use hot glue to secure it. Add accents. Glue on a strip of lace or wrap fabric for contrast. Fill and display. Fill with dried flowers, faux plants, or fairy lights. These look amazing on kitchen or bathroom shelves. Why it works: the transparency of jars adds lightness, while the texture from rope and lace introduces warmth. Total cost =0 if you're upcycling. Materials: scrap wood or thick book covers, small recycled containers, yogurt cups, tin cans, wood glue or hot glue, screws or nails if needed, paint or wood stain, small faux succulents or air plants. Steps: cut and sand your wood. Use 2 equal-sized wood pieces. Sand edges to prevent splinters. Assemble the bookend. Form an L shape and glue the pieces together. Secure with screws for durability. Attach planter cups. Glue your recycled cups to the base or corner. Make sure they are secure and level. Paint, stain. Use dark stain for a modern look or pastel chalk paint for a cozy touch. Add faux plants. Place your greenery inside and fluff to look natural. Display tips. Perfect for living room shelves or office bookcases. It doubles as a plant display and book organizer. Materials: wooden board or cardboard base, bottle caps, metal or plastic. Spray paint, optional. Strong adhesive or hot glue, template or printed design. Steps: choose a design. Simple silhouettes like hearts, stars, or letters work best. Spray paint, optional. Paint caps in different colors for a vibrant effect or go monochrome for a modern look. Lay out the caps. Use a printed template or draw a rough shape directly on your base. Glue each cap in place. Start from the center and work outwards for symmetry. Mount or frame. Add a hook or prop on a shelf. It's an eye-catching, conversation-starting piece. Fun tip: use caps from favorite beverages or match colors to your decor theme. Materials: old hardback books, white paint or color of choice. Stamps or markers, twine or fabric strip. Steps: stack your books. Choose 3 to 5 books of similar size. Paint the spines. Use chalk paint for a matte finish. Let dry thoroughly. Add words or quotes. Stamp or write 1 word per spine to create a stacked quote like home, sweet home, or create, inspire, repeat. Wrap with twine or fabric. Tie together to finish the rustic charm. Display ideas. These are perfect for entryways, kitchen shelves, or even holiday-themed messages. And there you have it: 4 super creative, budget-friendly, and totally unique DIY shelf decor projects using recycled materials. Whether you're working with old books, bottle caps, or tin cans, Remember, the beauty of upcycling lies in giving forgotten things a second life, and doing it with style. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. It helps others discover our creative community. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite project from today. Or even better, tag us on Instagram with your DIY results. Want more eco-friendly craft ideas? Check out the playlist linked right here. Until next time, stay crafty, stay sustainable, and keep transforming your space, one recycled treasure at a time.